So the Career Development Professional Program trains people to be employment counselors, employment advisors, job developers, career advisors, how to guide a person so that you can help them to figure out what career they want to pursue in life, or how to help a person find the right job for them. We cover all of this type of material in detail within this program. When you study career development, you not only learn how to help people, but you learn how to help yourself manage your career here. So in your future job, you will need to be doing the work just the way we're learning inside the program. What you do here will count out there.